Mm.
usually work out. Yeah.
You
It,
how long do you work out? It's like every
uh,
day or
no, um, 2 times a week maybe, or
oh
three
two
times.
times oh 2 times or 3 times. So yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
How about like what else? Maybe you can tell me like interesting things in your country about your country or
Oh,
in Taiwan.
yeah. Our country is famous for bubble tea. Do you know?
Oh, yes, yes.
You
Actually,
drink that
it's
before?
yeah, I love bubble tea. To be honest, we did a research about it. Bubble tea, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's based on it's a local research, like it's
Mhm.
based in our place, but the main topic is about like the bubble tea and its why do people love to drink this beverage? Like there's a lot of different beverage in this world, but is bubble tea really popular with everyone,
Mhm.
especially Generation Z? So I wanted to know more about it. So yeah, we just did a research, and luckily we passed. We passed our research.
Oh,
Yeah, our teacher
yeah.
loved it.
Congratulations.
Uh, our teacher loved it since bubble tea. I really love bubble
Yeah,
tea.
it's chewing
Um,
and yummy.
yeah, you're right. Yeah, how about
Yeah.
you? You love bubble tea too?
Yeah.
Do you like?
I
Yeah.
like yeah, but I like if milk tea and green tea mix it together and
Oh
add
yes, yes.
bubble pearl. Yeah.
Yeah. Here in our there's a lot of local shops here
Mhm.
in our place that serves bubble tea, or we call it we call it milk tea, pearl milk tea. Yeah. So most people call it here pearl milk tea. There's a lot of flavors, so I really love purchasing it time to
Oh,
time. Like I always drink it like every afternoon. So after
wow.
classes, I would go out and buy it. It's also not really that it's affordable. So as a student, I still don't have my my personal source of income. So purchasing it is really it's just affordable for me to buy. So I always buy it. Like mostly I drink bubble tea or milk tea um mostly every day, almost every day,
Wow.
since I really love it. It's my favorite beverage. I stopped drinking other beverage. I just drink
Mhm.